Good evening, everyone. Myself Ashish Rao. Today, our group is here to speak on an important topic from our civic syllabus: power sharing. Power sharing means different distribution of a different power, like organ of government and and level of government and social group, so that no single government or a people can misuse the power. It is the very foundation of a democratic system. If the power is if the power is concerned in a one hand, it leads to conflict and instability. Power sharing is a necessary to maintain the peace, unite, and democracy in the country. Let us take an example of Brussels. Let us sorry. Let us take an example of a Belgium. Belgium is a small European country with a linguistic communities. About 59% speaks Dutch, 40% speaks French, and 1% speaks Germany. In the capital city of Brussels, the French community was in the majority, even though they were in the minority community. So this leads to tension between two communities. To avoid a civil war, to avoid a civil war, uh, Belgium, the Belgium adopted a power sharing accommodation so that French and minority would not be so that it would avoid the civil war. Now I would like to hand over a second speaker.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Aman Kumar Patra of class 10th. Now, let us take another example of a country named Belgium. Belgium is a small country which has primarily two major communities. One is Sinhala majority community and Tamil majority community. After independence, a government adopted a policy of majorityism. According to the policy, Sinhala government was established and Sinhala was declared as an official language and Buddhism was fostered. Okay, this caused the Tamil feel alienated. All of this above points created civil war in Sri Lanka, causing loss of life and property. This all above points shows the importance of power sharing. Now I am telling about next topic: how division of power sharing. The power is shared in four types. Horizontal division of power. In this, power is shared among legislature, executive, and judiciary. Second, vertical division of power. In this power sharing, power is divided among central government, state government, and local government. Power is also shared among social groups, like power is given to women, other backward classes. Power is also shared to pressure groups. So this all maintains political stability and reduces the chances of mistake. Now I request my third speaker to conclude the story.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Ayushra Sethi from class 10. I am here to conclude the whole session presented by our group. Our topic was power sharing, a most weighted chapter of class 10th SST. In this chapter, the importance of power sharing is been described. Mm, In Belgium, the Belgium was the Belgium performed the model of accommodation of power sharing, while in Sri Lanka the role of majoritarianism. In Belgium, there were two linguistic community. One was Dutch-speaking community, and another one was French-speaking community. So the Dutch-speaking community was majority in the country, but it was minority in the capital, Brussels. So here, um, instead of having conflict between them, they represented the role of the model of accommodation by sharing power and giving power to every linguistic community and every representative at mm, at state level uh, with equal powers. And in Sri Lanka, there were uh, two linguistic community. One was Tamil speaking community, and another was Sinhala speaking community. And the Sinhala speaking community was in majority in the whole state. So they performed the mm, uh, role of majoritarianism by disrespecting the feelings of the minority linguistic community. And thank you everyone.